Welcome to DronEco Talk Show. Organized by Malaysia Drone Chamber of Commerce and Industry, also known as DEWAN PERNIAGAAN Dron PERDAGANGAN and INDUSTRI Malaysia. Supported by KOPERASI Teknologi Dron Malaysia BERHAD, also known as Malaysia Drone Technology Cooperative Limited. Technology Advisory by HiiLSE Drone Malaysia. Sponsored by DronEco. In this fast-moving world, technology development happening every day, across all the sectors. Today we stand at the threshold of a technological revolution that promises to transform the fabric of our daily existence. Imagine a world where drones revolutionize our daily lives with efficient and effective solutions. Drones, coupled with artificial intelligence, are poised to redefine the way we work and interact. Drone changes the efficiency of jobs drastically in every sector. In this DronEco Talk Show, we will discuss each topic 1 hour every day. Total 100 topics by experts across the globe. 7 different languages with 1 language per day. We are going to connect and collaborate with drone economy. From autonomous drones to AI ethics, from industry applications to futuristic innovations, join us as we dive deep into the world of technology with leaders like Ilangovan Thengavilo on drone and AI reshaping all industries, Rajesh Krishnan on drone tech and drone aggregation, Dr. Brian on delivery drone, Dadak HJ Abdul Rahim HJ Abdullah on digitalization and drone AI, and many more. Let's set the global drone ecosystem for an efficient world. Thank you all for your collaboration.